Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I would like to share latest job openings from Hyderabad location. It is from Telangana. Let us discuss about it in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for executive assistant position from Credrite Private Limited located in Hyderabad from Telangana. So they are going to offer a salary will be 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum for this position, and it should be having about 3 years of experience. And coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to report directly to the business head, and the executive assistant provides executive support in a one-on-one working relationship, and you need to give support in general business and performance management processes, and assist the rollout and implementation of the regional strategy, sales and business development initiatives, and monitor progress. And we need to manage internal and external projects and workflows with the timely updates and reporting, help in creating high quality, high value added reports in collecting and assessing details and results once they are in place. And anyone who enjoys working on data analytics or is interested in studying various market patterns will definitely suit this role. And so you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities, and for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. You can go through with that. Next one, there are openings for delivery drivers or delivery executives or delivery boys or freshers. So it is from Zomato Private Limited, and it is from Hyderabad from Telangana. So they are going to offer a salary will be 40,000 rupees per month for these positions, and it will be either full time or part time jobs. So for full time, they are offering 40,000 rupees per month. So you can earn up to 40,000 rupees per month, and for part time you can earn up to 18,000 rupees per month. So coming to benefits and responsibilities and duties, let us see now. So coming to benefits, you are going to get weekly payments, flexible work timings, morning, afternoon, evening or late night, and referral bonus, joining bonus will also be there, and insurance coverage like 10 lakhs for accidental and 1 lakh for health insurance. And you will be also getting the attractive incentives for the these positions. Like these are the benefits you are going to get. Next, coming to responsibilities and duties, you need to pick and deliver the food on time with the best service quality. So you need to focus on here, like you should check with the note provided here. So interested candidates for apply these positions, you can check in the description for the link. So you can go through with the link, it is available in the description. Next one, there are openings for AQA reviewer position from Reddy's Laboratories from Hyderabad, Telangana. So you are going to get between 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month for this position, and also 3 to 7 years of experience is required. So coming to job description, review and usage decision of analytical reports in quality control, and review and usage decision of purified water, potable and raw water, and a review of finished product stability samples and raw material microbial limit testing reports in LIMS and SAP, and review of environmental monitoring and of swab testing reports, and to review executed and results against specification and trends, and review certificate of analysis and analytical test report, and to review microbiological limit test method validation and method verification documents. So you can check here with the other responsibilities, like all the details provided here, and if you feel if you are comfortable and if you are suitable to apply for this position, then we have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for airport services duty officer position from Hyderabad. So it is from uh, Qatar Airways. So these are the responsibilities like you should be responsible to prepare monthly reports and LPCs, and you should be aware of airport operations and can deputize as an airport services manager and ensures passengers are assisted smoothly through airport facilities, and performs other related duties for the purpose of ensuring the efficient and effective functioning of the work unit. So these are the job responsibilities, and you please check with the each and every job responsibilities provided here. And for more detailed information, and also to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description, so you can check with the link in the description. One, there is a job opening for system administrator position from Asin Global Trading Private Limited from Telangana, Hyderabad. So they are going to offer a salary will be 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. So coming to responsibilities, you need to install and configure software and hardware, and you need to manage network servers and technology tools, set up accounts and workstations, monitor performance and maintain systems according to requirements, troubleshoot issues and outages, and ensure security through access controls, backups, and firewalls, and upgrade systems with the new releases and models, and develop expertise to train staff on new technologies, and also build on an internal wiki with the technical documentation, manuals, and IT policies. So these are the responsibilities. And coming to requirements, you should be having experience as a system administrator, network administrator, or similar role, and should be having experience with the databases, networks, LAN, WAN, and patch management, and knowledge of system security, example intrusion detection systems and data backup or recovery. So you should be having ability to create scripts in Python, Perl, and other language, and familiarity with the various operating systems and platforms, and resourcefulness and problem solving aptitude is required. So these are the roles and responsibilities and also requirements. You can check with all the details provided here, and in order to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for junior network engineer position. It is from Asan Global Trading Private Limited from Hyderabad. So they are going to offer a salary will be between 20 to 25,000 rupees per month. So coming to responsibilities, you need to work with a team that designs and develops scalable, maintainable, 99.99% available network architectures that meet business objectives and SLAs, and configure and install various network devices and services like example routers, switches, firewalls, load balancers, VPN, QoS, and so these are the remaining responsibilities. So please go through with the information provided here, and if you are interested to apply for this junior network engineer position, we have provided the link in the description, so you can have a look on the description once, please. Next one, there is a job opening for sales specialist position from the same organization like Sun Global Trading Private Limited, and it is from Hyderabad, and salary will be between 20,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. So coming to job responsibilities, self prospect while managing company provided inbound leads, and manage expectations and quality partners for sales follow up, and you need to communicate technology solutions and align solutions to the client's needs, and interact with key decision makers to promote technology solutions, understand organizational goals and execute according to prescribed processes, and lead interactive demos of their technology with the prospective customers, and represent and be the face of their organization. So these are the job responsibilities. And coming to qualification details, inside sales experience is required in a metrics driven environment, and you should be having experience with the CRM, business email, and sales processes, and also excellent presentation, interpersonal and communication skills are required to apply for this sales specialist position. So interested candidates, so please check with the description. So we have provided the link over there, so you can apply to this job through that link. One, there is a job opening for senior network engineer position from the Assam Global Trading Private Limited. So they are going to offer a salary will be 40,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. So you should be having above 5 years of experience in network engineering, and a bachelor's degree is preferred for this position. So and also CCNA certification is also required. Please include certification number in your resume. So you should be having knowledge in LAN, proxy servers, and networking knowledge, and network design and implementation, network troubleshooting, network hardware configuration, network performance tuning, and should be having understanding of networking protocols, example IPCEC, HSRP, OSPF, BGP, 802.11 and QoS, and also you should be having experience like deploying and troubleshooting an AC for wired and wireless access preferred. So these are the details, these are the requirements for this senior network engineer position, and you can also check here with the other requirements and other requirements on the skills. So for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the link, so it is available in the description, so you can have a look on that once. Next one, there is a job opening for senior officer transportation position from the Avenue Supermarts Limited. So it is a DMart from Hyderabad. So they are going to offer a salary will be 20,000 rupees per month, and it is for only male candidates. So male candidates can only apply for this position, and qualification will be any graduate, and should be having about 3 years of experience. So 3 years of experience is required, and you can also check here with the job description. So after checking with all the details, and if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this. And next one for the position of associate trans processing from Sutherland from Hyderabad location. And for this position, you should have done high school diploma or a GED and demonstrated ability to perform at a high level to support their high volume of inbound calls, and you should be having excellent verbal and written communication skills, and proficient reading skills are required, and multitasking skills showcased through the use of several applications, and you should be having experience working with CRM applications, and basic PC keyboarding skills, and basic Microsoft Office in that Outlook, Word, Excel experience is required, and prior customer service experience is preferred. So these are the experience and the qualification details, and if you want to apply for this position, you can have a look on the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.